How to manage iCloud storage on iPhone. Step 1. Open Settings, tap your name at the top, then tap iCloud. Here you'll see a visual breakdown of your iCloud usage, photos, backups, messages, and more. Step 2. Tap Manage Storage or iCloud Storage. Now, you can see which apps or services are taking up the most space. Step 3. To free space, you can delete old device backups, turn off photos or messages if sync isn't needed, clear iCloud device files, or manage app data individually. If you still need room, tap Change Storage Plan to upgrade your iCloud from 5 GB to 50 GB, 200 GB, or even 2 TB. Now, you're in control of your iCloud space.